Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix CSGO connecting to CSGO network. So if you're experiencing issues with the CSGO connecting to your CSGO network, it could be due to various reasons. So here are some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the problem. So first one is to check the Steam status. So before proceeding with any troubleshooting, make sure that the Steam and CSGO servers are up and running. So sometimes server outages or maintenance can cause connection issues. So you can check the Steam status on the Steam website or community forums. Next is to restart Steam. So close Steam completely and then restart it. So sometimes simply restarting Steam can help resolve connection issues. Next one is to check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. So try opening a web page or using online services to verify that your internet is functional. Next is to disable VPN and Proxy. So if you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling them temporarily. So VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the connection to game servers. And then check firewall and antivirus settings. So verify that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking CSGO from accessing the internet. So add an exemption for CSGO in your firewall or antivirus settings. Next one is to reset network devices. So restart your modem and router to refresh the network connection. And then flush DNS cache. So open command prompt, search for CMD in the Windows search bar, and then type the following command and then press enter. So here's the command. So this will clear your DNS cache, which might resolve networking issues. And then next is to change Steam download region. So CSGO connects to specific servers based on your Steam download region settings. So try changing your download region by following these steps. The first one is to open Steam and then go to your Steam in the top left corner and then select on the settings. And after that, under the download region, choose a different location close to your actual location and then click on OK to save the changes and restart the Steam. So as always, you can pause this video and then follow the processes on your screen at your own pace. Next one is to reset CSGO settings. So sometimes corrupted settings can lead to connection problems. So reset your CSGO settings to default by deleting the config.cfg file located on here. And then make sure to back up your current settings before deleting the file. Next is to check for software conflicts. So certain software running in the background might interfere with the CSGO networking. So try closing unnecessary applications and see if the issue is resolved. Next one is contact the Steam support. So if none of the steps mentioned work, consider contacting team support for further assistance. So they can provide more specific guidance based on your system configuration and connection setup. So by following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve CSGO connection issues. But if the problem persists, it is possible that there might be a server-side issue, in which case you'll need to wait for the developers to address it. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.